Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these slip-on shoes from ALLSWIFIT to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. These things are comfy. They are men's shoes. They are mesh, comfy. They have nice treads on the bottom. They're just a very well cushioned shoe. I want you to kind of show you what it looks like here. You can see that it's got some nice styling here. The toe is a solid rubber around the front. There is a mesh around it. It's not pure mesh. There is actually fabric in there to kind of keep your foot secure. The back is also padded, the heel is padded, and I want you to notice there's a little, obviously, grip for grabbing it if you want to. The soles are rubber, have good treads, they have good traction, but I want you to notice something right now, no laces. Again, these are slip-on. This is a little bit stretchy here. This is kind of an elastic. So as you're on the go, if you don't feel like tying shoes and taking them off and relacing them and retightening up, these are slip-on shoes. You can just go ahead and grab them, put them on your feet and go. And yeah, it works really, really well. They are comfy as well. They are very, very well cushioned in here. They fit me pretty well. I'm 11 to 12, depending upon what it is. These are 11s and they work great, but they fit really, really nicely. They do slip on really, really easily. Here's my foot, just like that, and go. Nice and comfy, really, really nice. Just slips right off as well, just like that. Again, slips right on, and you're out the door. So again, these ALLSWIFIT shoes are men's shoes. There's no reason why they couldn't be women's shoes. They are pretty universal. As you can see, they're a pretty straightforward, basic style. They look really nice, but they could easily work with for men or women, depending upon your sizing. You want to go ahead and get that right. My son, by the way, he's a little younger. He's a little more athletic than I am. He can actually slip these on just on the ground. So I'll have him sitting by the door. I'll say, hey, can you go pull the trash in? He'll say, sure. He'll slip his feet right into these, just walk straight out without even pausing, not bending over. That's great. I can't do that. I'm not coordinated enough, but he can. So they are kind of just, you slip your foot in there and you just go. These are really, really nice looking shoes. They feel really good. They're comfy. If you're looking for a nice, good quality pair of slip-on shoes, they come in different colors as well. These are obviously the black, but you can look in different stylings and different colors. My wife might go ahead and find a pair for her that fits her, but we're going to probably stick with these. These are ALLSWIFIT. They slip-on shoes. They work really well. Highly recommended.